Good morning, everybody. Hey, before we get started, I just wanted to give a quick shout out to 4 new patrons. I've got Mary in Michigan, Nanette in Missouri, Leslie right here in Arizona, and Eileen in California. I just want to say thank you guys so much for becoming patrons this last month, and if anybody's interested in signing up, I did open up 5 more spots. So if you'd like to get in on that Happy Meal next month, you can go ahead and find the link down below in the description box. I hope you enjoy this opening of my latest mom box. We never know what's inside a mom box, and it's always fun. If you like this kind of video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for being here, and let's get started. Got a big old mess going on my desk right now, but I cleared off enough space to get this open, so I'm excited. Okay. What is this? Sing It Again. So cute. This looks like a Girl Scout book, but I don't see Girl Scouts on here anywhere, but that it looks like the same size as one of those. Super cute. What's in here? Ooh, look at these. Oh, Mackinac Island, Michigan. I've been there. That's so cool. Wow. 1936. Holy smokes, these are awesome. You guys, I'm working on ephemera packs, so yeah, be watching because I bet one of these will go in each ephemera pack. We love that. Lake Superior. My husband grew up on Lake Superior. We have a very special fondness of Lake Superior, and we miss it. The Chicken House of the Prairie Homestead. Aww. These are cute. Mom, didn't you do some postcards kind of like this once upon a time? Or no, they were greeting cards. I remember that, like from my childhood. The Northern Lights. My daughter so wants to see the Northern Lights. It's so funny. Having grown up in Minnesota, I didn't know that you couldn't see the Northern Lights from everywhere in the United States. I just thought that was normal. Oh, these are cool watercolor postcards. Yes, please. Awesome. Cool. Successful songs for community singing. How cute is that? Songs the soldiers and sailors sing. Oh my gosh. Absolutely adorable. We have a copyright MCM XV111. So what is that? 19. You guys, I can't do Roman numerals on the spot. 1958, maybe? No, 1918. So close, Ricky. Oh my gosh. Oh, cute. Bookmarks. Bookmark blanks, I should say. I will definitely use those. Look at all this seam binding and bias tape. Ooh. Lace. Hem tape lace. That's cool. Wow. This is awesome, Mom. I have a feeling some of this came from Deanna, so thank you to Deanna as well. She's been cleaning out her mom's house, and her mom is an artist. So that's cool. Awesome. This stuff is so perfect. Okay. Ooh, that's fancy. It's like a big old shell bead. Very funky. Buttons. We love buttons. Cute. So one little tiny clothespin in there. Pansies. Adorable. Country fabrics for today's crafter. Interesting. It's just a nice little thin piece of muslin, it looks like. Good texture for rusting. Yes, probably. Thank you, Mom. More material for rust dyeing, probably. And some rubber stamps. I don't do a lot of rubber stamps, but she asked me if I wanted these because, and I said yes, because I've been stamping on the outside of my Patreon envelopes, and these just seemed really cool. But that's like a huge stamp. I seriously, it's not even used. I've never seen one that big. Well, that's probably not true. I've probably seen them in the store, but I've never owned one that big. That's for darn sure. All right. From Nathaniel. Thank you, Nathaniel. My uncle. There's only a few, you know, it's only our tribe that would understand how freaking awesome this is. You guys know what this is for? Rust dyeing. How cool is that? It is fun to have relatives that live on farms in the Midwest. Haha. Thank you, thank you. Don't know what this is. This is quite a varied box, Mom. Okay. Girls, a fellow I worked for gave me these 2 cameos back in the early 50s, and I've had them in my purse all these years. They are real cameos, so keep them always. I always wanted them put onto these gemstones. Love you both, Mom. Aww. Okay, I have to do some research on cameos. I really don't know anything about them. If anybody else does, please let me know. That's really sweet and adorable. That note is not from my mom, by the way, just to avoid any confusion. Who knows where my mom gets all the things? She's a busy lady. All right, more rust dyeing scraps. These would be scraps from making her banners that I'm sure are in the bottom here. And I also use those for rust dyeing. Wild rice, direct from Minnesota. Do you guys like wild rice? I love it in my soup. So Mom sends it to me because it's way less expensive there than it is here. And she asked me if I wanted these butterflies, and I said sure, I'd take a couple packs. And oh, we got some beautiful heart hangers. I will get some little ephemera pieces put in these and get them listed on Etsy as soon as possible. See, they got a little pocket. Very cute, Mom. Got a couple more here. So she makes these out of reclaimed vintage linens. They're just awesome. Very cool. Some more like hem tape or seam binding stuff. Oh, more hearts. Cute. Look at that, the butterfly. How stinking adorable. Oh, and she put a little tea tag in there. That's so cute. This is, I can tell this is a vintage hanky. Love what she does with fabric. More scraps. Excellent. Ooh, look at this yummy big spool. Hey, you guys know what? Mom is working on snippet rolls for my shop. Yes, coming soon. So keep your eyes open for that. That's not in this box, but that's just a little insider information for you. Another tea tag. We can always start again. I love that. And these are some scraps. Tags. Cute. You know, I'll use all that stuff. Absolutely. We don't let things go to waste around here. All right, I'm saving the best for last. Here we are. I think I'm gonna take these out and move the box so I can show you better. And this is in the bottom of the box, little calendar. Those are great for collage. Okay, wow. Oh my goodness. Look at the detail on this thing. Holy smokes. All that vintage goodness in there. And those buttons. Yes, please. Yes, please, and thank you. Cute, cute. Hopefully you can see all this. So I will get some ephemera put in these, get them photographed and put on Etsy as soon as I can, you guys. Very cute. Beautiful. Loving the colors. So all of the stuff is that she uses for these is reclaimed from linens that have like big stains on them or holes. So she cuts them up and makes them into these beautiful, beautiful banners so they can have another life. And everybody who has bought them has absolutely loved them. Wow, so good. Okay. Oh, I love this with the measuring tape. Very cool. Oh, look at those little pearls. So cute. I know I sound like a broken record, but they are so cute. I love it. All right, last but not least. Beautiful, beautiful. I can't wait to see these hung up. So then you really get the full effect when you can see it all at once. Look at all that embroidery. Stunning. All right, well, that is it, my friends. Thank you for watching yet another Mom Box. Mom, thank you for all of your hard work and presents. So, yeah. All my links are down below, so if you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks, you guys.